Ano? Oo nga po.
Palapos ng damit, yung pag umikot, lumalagdag eh. Oo, ayun na. Oo. Ito ah.
Po. Oh. Wow. Ah. Hey guys. Look, it's raining. Opo, because it's rainy day na. Wow, what's that? Trees? Let me see. Wow! Ba't wala ang baka? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Dirty water. It's rain. Yeah. What? Mu? Asay mo? Ah! Ayun! Yung mu. Mu eat grasses. Opo.
Bakit rainy day sa July?
Kasi tapos na yung summer. Yun. Good job. Oh.